Okay,
let's go, let's go.
DDN up.
Arma up.
Go, boy.
One eh.
DDN.
Wait.
No.
God, the
Be
DPS
careful.
is too strong.
Yeah, I haven't do the Dark Rush actually. Oh my god, he canceled the Dark Rush.
Gawa niyo.
Aaron.
Okay.
Careful, grow.
Live naman oh.
Ay, wait lang.
The dragon loves me, boy.
Oh, careful.
Curing. There you go.
Buff me again, please. How's my buff?
Debuff. It's gonna do the ball, ah.
Oh shit. I'm gonna take here. I'm gonna take over here.
I'll go 12.
Saan ba ako? 12 ba ako?
I'll go with Brad. Okay.
Oh my god. Okay, done.
I'll go DDN. Rebuff if you can.
Yeah, wait. I'm still doing the Dark Rush. What?
Grabe, OP yung
Malilap.
DMG.
Maybe another ball.
Yeah, Bolson, ah.
Yep, another ball should be.
In out,
Or-
in out, in out.
Careful. Pumping. I think we can skip this. We can go to the ball.
Yeah, I'll drop it to 25.
Careful.
It's breathing. Save your hit skill, ah, so we can kick the ball. Faster. Go. Save your hit skill now. Stop.
RB.
Rebuff.
Okay, the ball mech.
Ball mech, ah. Follow my flag, Kuya Arfi, separate ka. Okay, everyone follow my flag.
I'm gonna kill this one.
We're gonna kill this one, ah.
Saan ako?
Sa baba, Kuya Arfi, yung isa.
Dito?
Hindi, dun sa kabila, isa sa may bola. You kill that, Kuya Arfi. Assist Kuya Arfi now,
Wala.
Kick the ball. Oh yeah, wait, what do you
Okay,
hold?
let's
That's
go.
What?
the Dark Avenger. You can kick the ball faster with
Curing
your...
good.
Yeah, with the grapes.
What do you call that?
Mm-hmm. Go before the
Laser,
ball. Oh no! Okay, it's gone. One more.
Go to Saint.
It's okay. I got it.
Away mid. Okay lang.
Die.
Okay, give
Oh
me
my
ball.
god, close. No, there's no Baufa.
Watch.
No Baufa. Trust me. It's gonna be Umbala and Maluka.
Oh, di
Oh,
ba?
yeah.
I told you.
Sana
Bow pa.
Yeah, you go it's right.
Wait. What's the FD? Rat?
Then we don't get
Meluka.
Umbala.
Please get
Max
Meluka.
FD again.
Max FD again.
Uy, Max oh.
Lutz FF Achar. Really?
Why is that?
Really? What? Okay, if you wanna FFA, I will get the Titanion for myself. When someone say that, it's my luck getting increased, you know? It's always happening in the FFA party.
ha?
Yeah, party list.
DDN up. Let's go.
So, I
BDN
should be the third
also.
one.
First one.
Go full DPS.
COVID away.
Oh, mali.
No, it's
I
not
have
that.
no cure. Misclick.
Sige lang.
Careful, the chart is hurt.
Yeah, it hurts.
It's gonna be
Healing,
knock us.
Follow. Dito
Yeah, it's
tayo.
gonna be knock us in a few seconds. Maybe like 2 seconds. Yeah, knocking.
Ayan na. Flag.
Logging.
Di kami nakuha. Okay, everyone go.
Rebuff.
I'll DDN. Away for a little bit, ah.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
This one is still fine. Later, below 50, we need to stay away. Okay, so
Okay. Mechanics. Follow. Leah, you're gonna go out first.
Okay.
Okay, go out now. I'll go
Oh.
next.
yeah, I'm gonna
And
do
then
the third.
I'm 6.
Yan, Shield Fury, and then...
Okay.
And then... Chris, Brad, and then...
Jumping.
Nangyari once,
Chris,
ano.
Be careful,
Chris out. Brad next. And then Rain out. Nag-ano kami, te. Na-one hit
Enough,
kami sa
enough,
Green
enough.
Howl.
Just jumping.
Na.
Na-one hit kami sa Green Howl. Hindi kasi ako kumanta eh.
Okay, be careful guys. Shield ya, be careful.
Yeah.
It's gonna be double shield after this.
Careful ah.
Yeah, be careful. Oh no,
Okay,
this is
go to 9,
definitely.
go to 9, go to 9. Follow flag.
Yeah, 9 or 3, it's fine. It's gonna be knocking us in a few seconds. Okay, knocking.
Ay, nagkamali.
Ah,
Help me.
One
help
more.
me.
Okay.
Di ba?
RB.
Okay, I will for a little bit.
Charging.
Charging.
Oh, fuck. Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, jump mech ah. Off your weapon if you want. It's a lot better if you off your weapon.
I don't need to do that actually.
You can dash
Yeah, I can fly.
with DA.
RB.
Away for a little bit.
Yep, away a bit. Be
Always
careful.
distance yourself.
Okay, knocking back.
Ah,
Double.
Rain, go. Rain, doon ka sa kabila. Follow everyone.
Yeah, we killed the Mirage, right?
Ah, sige, hindi
Yeah.
ako sa kabila.
Maraming
Ako?
shield dyan na Rain ah. Careful.
May nakakuha ng agro.
Oh shit.
Someone got the agro.
Chill.
Well, check the arrow.
Check agro.
Is that me?
I think...
Wait.
Both of the.
Oh, both.
No.
both.
Only one got the aggro. Got only one.
Okay.
Here.
Wait there,
We
wait
got-
there.
Okay already. I think it's Kuya R.
Alright. We go kill the Mirage. Yeah? Wait.
I'll check.
Always the
Arrow.
archer.
I have D1 aggro. Go everyone kill that.
Careful.
Go kill that. I have the aggro here. Brad, sa kabila, Brad.
Blue?
Oh, dun sa isa.
Dito lang i-debuff ko na lang din.
Be careful. Don't get really close. It's gonna be shield
DDN up.
soon.
Sige lang. Drags up. Go.
Shield. Careful.
Chill.
Nice.
Kill it, okay. Passive ng big kill.
Protect also if possible, just in case something happens.
No, it's not gonna kill us. It's not gonna kill us.
No, I mean like if they're boss doing the mech,
Ah,
just in
oh, yeah.
case.
Okay.
Okay.
Big kill. Or pray, yeah.
Ayan, pray na.
Careful.
Wala kasi mana sa big kill.
Don't be greedy. Wait.
Mana plate,
Careful.
I
Sticks,
frame.
sticks.
No, away.
Really?
I frame, yeah. They don't know the stick, right?
Oh,
Or not this
okay.
time.
No, it's better to be stick together in front
Yeah.
of the boss premier.
Out of the boss. Pero hindi nga sila sanay.
Oo,
It's
Ben,
okay. It's okay. We can make it actually. Our DPS is over. Middle. Careful. Just walk.
Protection shell.
Just walk. Don't dash. If you got the aggro, just walk. Don't dash.
May relic ka, Rain.
Teka,
Healing.
wala. Ay, hindi, meron. Healing rin.
Bad
Sa gitna ko lang lagay.
Sige.
Yan. Small heal up. Para sure.
Careful. I'm aggro. Away from me.
The exclamation point
Tom?
is the one.
Indicator.
Okay, kill please. Oh my god. Shield. I'm gonna kill this.
Okay. Umbala. I mean,
Umbala. Oh, what?
What the fuck?
Gago. Oh my god. Oh my god. FFIS.
Ito ba yun? Bakit may yun na nakalagay?
Yeah, Chris got double blast.
Oh, you can do double bless here?
No. I mean,
I got new here. Like, there's a new sign in the...
oh wait, you got two?
We got two.
Yeah,
Oh
we got
my
two.
god,
So-
we are fucking rich. We're fucking rich.
We got
Yeah.
yung bala.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it's,
Yeah,
it's,
they
it's already linked. It's
linked already
linked.
both to. Same FD.
Let's go.
Okay, so stage 1 give us 1, stage 2 give us 2. Okay, the
Two.
stage 3 give
Yeah,
us
that-
3.
Now, remember, right? Like, there's a two
Freaking
times. Look. we
FFA,
can get
thank you
two.
so much. What the fuck?
Grabe yung pindot ko
S3
dun,
will
ha?
keep blessed. Can't.
Yeah. Yeah, always go to boss when there's chaos.
Careful.
Oh, wait. Let me
CD
adjust
reset for
my
healer.
zoom thing.
Yeah. Taas nyo na zoom nyo if you can. Upside
Yeah,
down, always.
yeah.
Wag lang sobra.
Oh,
Yeah,
yun, ah.
go.
Nagulat ako, may umbala din siya.
Behind the boss, ah. Behind the boss. Behind the boss. Don't hit in front of the boss. Behind.
Okay, I'll DDN.
Away, ah. Careful. Stay behind the boss. It's safe.
Okay, drop it to 75 if we can. It's gonna pizza now.
Okay.
Okay, cure please.
Okay, be
You're
ready. 3.
Ah,
Dark
chaos.
energy. Okay.
Go to boss, go to boss.
no,
Go to boss.
Here. Walk, ah. Walk, make walk.
Upside
Chill,
down.
chill. Wait.
Okay,
Okay,
adjust.
move
Move.
now.
Just move.
Chill.
Okay, left.
Move.
Forward.
Okay, walk again. Nice.
Oh,
Careful.
wait. QRP.
Ah, careful. Chill moving.
Hindi, sadya niya yun.
Yeah,
Para
just chill
makapag-bear
moving. Just chill moving.
siya. Ah, cure ulit.
Ay, hindi ko
Wala
na.
yun.
Wait, one more.
Ah, ano
Yeah.
kaya?
Ano-
Nasa labas
ano
ka,
naman?
KR.
Nasa labas ako?
It's okay.
Yes.
Okay,
Move. Follow me
Oh.
on my position.
Yeah, chill.
Okay, adjust.
Okay, move again.
Okay, adjust again.
Don't be panic. Chill. We got this.
Yeah. Okay, guys. I will now open my beer.
Okay, one more time. And we move. Okay, great guys. Good job. DPS, Harmo up.
Harmony, ah.
Okay. Wait, let me cast the dragon. And
Pababa
another
nung
one.
ano? Anong Saint Salvation mamaya?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Ngayon na? Later.
Mamaya, later.
This one. Then,
Okay.
tabi lang, then
Go
opposite. Okay, tabi. Opposite.
Follow me, ah.
Then, to back.
Here.
Okay.
If you guys cannot make it,
Rotation.
just use iframe.
There. Casted.
Away.
I'm sorry, I forgot about that. Sorry, one. I thought you
Oh my God.
have.
Rebuff middle.
Hang on. I'm in dark crash. Careful.
Rebuffing.
Careful.
Mark,
don't-
go away.
Yeah, go away, the mark.
Ano yan, din?
DPS behind the boss.
Wala left.
Oh my god. Relief.
Cure ka. May ano dito,
Sige lang.
may reset dito.
Okay, free
Okay,
DPS.
Ulti na ako para ano, gamit ko.
Sige.
Yeah, DPS.
Okay. So,
Careful,
we have
I
pray,
think.
just DPS.
Oh my god, I forgot. We have
Ano?
pray.
Wala yung ano.
Nawala.
Reset. Okay, okay lang.
Be careful. Stop.
Okay.
Ice. Just adjust ice
We
and
kill
we dodge.
we kill the stuff. No, we kill the stuff.
We kill?
Yeah, we have enough. Oh no, I didn't ice it. It dodged.
Okay, I got the damage. Go.
Okay, kill it.
Yeah, go ahead. V mo na. There you go. Yung DPS.
Okay,
Where's
rebuff
that
and
there?
kill. It's free time. 5 seconds. Away. Who got
Wait,
the aggro?
wait,
Just run. Behind the boss. If you got the aggro.
The pizza is second phase already, 6 seconds confusion lang.
Salvation. Go.
Go.
Okay,
Okay,
it's gonna be
No, the
Polva.
get the
Yeah,
ball.
the Polva.
Get the ball,
The
get the
12.
ball.
This is the
Get
oh
ball,
no,
get ball.
yeah. Hit the blue ball, the wisp.
Normal attack.
And run away. No, you're fine, one.
Philip.
You're fine.
Oh, what? I
Wait,
didn't-
wait.
What?
That's okay.
Fine.
Just,
Relic mid if you need.
Sige.
Just get buffs first.
yeah, we need to
Wala akong
stay
buff
here.
nung kanina.
One more run.
Nag-expire ata.
Okay, one more wave.
Oh, tek yan. Yung bola pumunta sa akin. Titi.
One more wave, ha?
Yeah, last one.
Oh, tek, di ko makita sa ano.
Check floor,
Check floor, careful. Be careful, it's gonna be hurt poison.
Ingat sa gilid.
Pero wala kang ano.
Be careful.
Wala sa floor.
Pizza.
Babawasan ako.
Pizza. Okay, wala na yung floor niyan. 6 seconds pizza, Opposite.
Opposite
Okay. Okay. The confusion will begin. And then opposite, I think. And then here. Okay, nice.
Okay, we got it.
Debuff,
Go,
debuff.
defense.
DDN up.
Away! Oh my god.
Okay, rebuff in the middle again.
Invasion up.
Mark,
I'm the aggro. It's okay.
okay,
Boss,
go behind
stopping?
boss,
Yeah, I'm going behind the boss.
Go behind boss now. You can jump.
It's okay. It's fine.
What are you guys doing?
Smiley lang.
Okay.
Oh, I got cancelled. No.
Okay, go.
Pre-hit,
Follow,
still
follow.
pre-hit.
Go DPS.
Oh my god, help me DPS, guys. I'm weak.
Is this team 3?
Team 1. Pa-rebuff nga ako, parad.
Waste ni debuff.
Go guys.
Nice.
Sabi, lakas
Ganda.
talaga.
I didn't
Zia.
try my skills.
Alam mo
Ah,
ba,
ano yan?
nakadalawang bao pa kami. Ay, dalawang umbala sa isang chest.
Oh.
my God.
Okay guys, my luck ran out, so you guys open the next chest,
Ooh, who gonna open that?
Magkano
Don't
yung
ask me, okay?
umbala?
I just got the Tanion today. My luck is out. Don't
Rebuff,
ask
rebuff.
me for that.
Paribuff.
Ay, wait. Let me check.
Magkano yung umbala?
I think pwede na siguro to. Let's go.
Not sure. Check natin sa TH. Bawas.
Oh yeah, I wanna ask
Pwede mo,
about this.
Zia?
About this. Did you guys
Ano
know if
yun?
you guys got eye, just go back to the dragon?
Bilhin mo?
Just wanna tell them.
Hindi, nagtatanong lang.
Ay, akala ko bibilhin mo agad. Grabe na dalawang test.
Okay.
Nakatatlong bless sa isang rank. Bird's nest, movement speed, give me that.
Chicken talaga sa akin.
Sama mo sa beer, Kuya RP, masarap yan. Go, kill lang ako. Mark, away.
Mark away behind the dragon. Go behind the dragon.
Kickers ready,
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm just gonna ice.
Wait, yeah, don't kill first. Hang on. I just put the balls. Wait. Don't get too close. Don't get.
Oh shit,
Yeah.
I kill it. Too fast. The
Yeah.
damage is too strong on the Celestra.
Okay, I'm killing the first ball.
Okay.
Wait. Second ball.
One more. This one.
Okay, we need the last. Where's the last ball?
One more.
I think it's all good.
Ready,
You can
ano?
just push this a little
Mark.
bit.
Mark.
Okay.
Alam niyo, wala ko naintindihan sa ganyan.
Enough
Saan, Ted?
Okay. Get ready with the buff. Oh shit, I
May
forgot.
buffing?
Oh my god, I forgot. Wait. Okay,
Behind.
behind.
LTDN. Go DPS.
Make it to 16 bar.
Mamamatay ba kayo pag wala kayo sa shield?
Saan, te?
Diyan?
Okay, left side,
Hindi ko
left
lang
side.
makakadikit.
Di ba?
So parang may shield lang siya?
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Okay.
In the
I think.
right side.
Okay, it's already enough.
Oh, front.
DPS.
Just DPS, it's okay. Away. It's hurt.
I'll go ice. Go DPS.
DPS again.
Hug the wall.
Okay, wall now.
Brad, kayo ni Leah mag-statue later,
Eh, sige.
Assist namin kayo later kung ano.
Stamping.
Ready for stamp.
Wait for
I'll
the floor.
cast Dragon
In
Place
the
after
second
stamp.
wave, we
Sige.
jump. Okay, wait. 1, 2, jump now. Okay, go DPS.
Don't
DDN
DPS
up.
on tail,
DDN up.
Yeah, don't DPS in the tail or in the front.
Misty, call out mo pag need ng cure,
Sige.
Okay, it's gonna be 12. You guys can DPS for 2 seconds. Okay,
Yeah.
go DPS
Go
2 seconds.
near tail and then DPS.
Pretty
Okay,
PS.
go back now.
We go left, everyone go left.
We go left.
Yeah, we go left, everyone.
All right. Careful. Slow walk, slow. Okay. Step
Wait,
aside
wait.
here. Step aside here. Over here.
Wait for the mark,
Step aside, guys. Over here. Follow me. Be careful. You guys need an age to run. Hang
Okay,
on.
wait.
Oh,
Three.
You got
No, no,
the-
no, no.
It's okay.
I forget we have one here. One have the speed boost and Zika. It's okay. It's on time.
Okay,
Wait.
ready, ah.
One,
Save
two,
your hero
jump.
skill now, support class.
Yeah.
For the hound. Rai, you can one shot with the Dark Clash, right?
Yeah. I can make it. I just stay in the middle of the whisk.
Prison,
Okay,
ah.
prison. Wait, chill.
Here. Okay, wait lang. Leah, follow me. Okay, behind. No. Okay, nice.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Pwede
Oh my God.
mag-diba?
Pwede, kuya. DPS outside if you reach the boss. Don't hero skill, ah.
RB?
Away.
Come on,
Away now. Later we RP.
Do not DPS.
Yeah, just run first.
I mean, do not hero
5,
skill.
4, 3, 2,
Okay,
1.
rebuff
Okay.
here.
Rebuff.
RB.
Careful. Wait, ah. Okay, go DPS now.
Cheese, oh. Collect.
Collect this.
Let the support.
Yeah, DPS, just
Okay.
DPS right. One more. Okay, nice. Just DPS.
Okay.
Okay, it's gonna howl, ah.
Wait. Look at the map. The dragon. Where is it?
Okay.
Under the dragon.
It's
Moving
okay.
again. Yeah. Follow. Just follow the
Adjust your positions, ah, for the balls. Brad, follow mo ako, Brad. Dalawa tayo dito.
dragon. Careful.
Sa malayo.
Okay, I'm gonna one shot this one.
Okay, one more. Mamaya, Brad. Mamaya ka mag-hero skill.
Kasi
Okay.
may hero skill ako.
Oo. Alternate hero skill, ah. Cure one, please.
Here one with Saint.
Ano?
Wait.
Okay. Brad, follow, Brad.
Wait lang, wait. Sige, under ako. Nasa
Under the dragon. Careful, Brett.
So na yan, ah. Meron na yan.
One more.
Okay, go. Okay.
Hero skill ka?
Oh, hero skill muna. Okay.
Kaya.
Help one. Okay, nice. Cure here.
Brett.
Cure him.
Oh, wait. It's fine. That's fine.
Nag-imo na ako para siya.
Oh, nice emo.
Almost die.
Nag-cure ako, hindi kumapit
Yeah,
ata.
cool down. I know.
Okay, follow the dragon, ah.
Eat the bird nest. Okay, magic breath. Under the dragon.
Go under.
Leah, movement speed.
Speed
Box.
boost. Wow.
Ready?
Wait.
Okay, go
left
left.
side. Oh my god.
Soil up. Go.
All right. Good job. The dragon will. We free DPS now.
There's
Okay.
mana there, Leah.
Curtail, ha?
Leah, don't DPS at it.
Soil up.
Prison, I think. Yeah.
Just press
Yeah,
on.
praise one.
Wait, yeah, chill.
Calmly go out, ah. Okay. Leah, there's food here. There's mana food here.
Okay.
Stick here.
You'll get it later.
We will dash later, yeah.
Dash in,
When the
ready?
green. Go.
Move towards the bosses.
Yeah,
The
you need
boss
to
is
push
pushing
forward.
us. Okay. DPS.
Make it to under 25, please.
Harmony, guys. Harmony.
Still down.
Wait. They didn't harmony earlier. Okay. Just DPS. Maybe we can kill KOS.
5 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Okay, nice. Wait.
Leah, mana here, Leah. Take it, Leah.
Check dragon. Oh, we need to kill 30 minion. 30
30.
minion. Yeah. Wait, yeah. Careful. Look at the poison.
I will now kill.
Kill the
Wait.
mobs, kill the mobs.
Wait.
Ay, imo down ha, careful ha.
Careful.
Soil
Oh,
up.
I'll assist you with icing.
Oh, wait.
Adjust. Adjust, guys, adjust. Always follow the dragon.
Zia.
Careful, Leah.
Leah, follow.
Careful. He gonna breath again. Hang on. It's okay. Keep the hero skill, yeah. Don't use ADG. We will burst them after this. Be careful with the poison.
I can burst here on the right side.
Careful. Where's the dragon? Oh,
Okay.
he gonna dash.
Just. Follow the dragon again, ha?
Careful. He gonna breath again. Away.
Okay, kill some mobs, kill some mobs. Last.
Yeah, kill.
Oh, wait, one.
Careful, 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 careful. It's okay,
Adjust,
one.
adjust, adjust.
It's okay, so hang on. Two more, yeah?
What's
Nice.
Yeah,
Nice, nice.
already.
Enough.
Enough,
Okay.
enough.
I think
Be
the
ready
last
with
one.
the
I can
everything.
KOS it, I think. I can KOS
Yeah,
it.
we can KOS. We can KOS.
It's gonna drop. The boss is gonna drop.
Stump.
No, no, no.
Okay,
Stop, no, stop. Go,
KOS,
go, go,
KOS,
go.
KOS.
DDN or anything? You step?
No, may DDN down.
Okay.
KOS, KOS. Just kill the boss.
Go, go, go.
Oh shit.
my
not
God.
able.
I'm using ulti, come here.
Kill, kill.
Oh, no.
Oh my
Here,
god, the
here, here, here.
statue.
The statue. I'm gonna hit the statue.
Heal up. Digin up.
Drop it to 10%, drop it to 10%. I have the aggro, ha? Everyone move left. Adjust now.
Chris, hit the statue. Hit the statue with your feather.
Yeah, yeah. Adjust, adjust, adjust. Everyone adjust. I'm gonna die.
Go, go.
Hit the statue, please. Hit the
Oh,
statue.
sige, sige. I'm gonna hit it.
Sige, nag-iwan ako ng relic doon.
Okay,
Yung sa'yo-
Sane, heal, heal, heal.
Leah, damage the statue, please. Oh
Yes.
shit.
Pumping, ha?
Stomp.
Hit the statue first. DPS, go the dragon. Go to
Yes.
dragon now.
Yes.
Stop
Go
now,
to
stop
dragon.
now.
Relic there.
I'm gonna
Don't
focus on
kill.
the statue. I'm gonna focus on the statue.
Away. Careful,
Okay.
the lightning.
Oh, KOS now. We can kill.
Dragon up.
Yeah, we have time. 5 seconds. Go, go, go. 5 seconds only before he fly again.
Yes.
Nice.
What
Woo.
the fuck?
Is it the first time clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my god!
I'm clear.
Congratulations for the one who just
Guys.
cleared this.
God, the
Oh,
demon.
this is FFA, right? Okay, I'm gonna get the blessed.
I know, I'm
Kin.
gonna get the kin.
Yeah,
Magni, guys, ha?
Magni. I got the kin and the blessed element. Don't worry, guys.
Oh my
Oh,
god, I
yeah.
didn't clear. Get
Let's hit
it.
pin, let's go.
Ah,